First up tonight, we have new information on the death of an infant found in a motel bathtub in Milford. Today, the Bridgeport man charged in the case was arraigned. News 12's Marissa Alter reports from the courthouse.
Milford police aren't releasing any information on the relationship between the infant girl and Dale Kirkland, and this case file has been sealed for 14 days. But family court records show Kirkland filed for custody of his almost 4-month-old daughter a few weeks ago.
I'm going to ask that the bond remain as such, Your Honor.
31-year-old Dale Kirkland appeared before a judge charged with risk of injury to a child and cruelty to persons in the death of an infant girl police believe was 3 to 6 months old. Officers responded to the Mayflower Motel just after 11 Tuesday morning after a staff member went to clean a vacated room.
As she was in the room, she noticed that there was some baby items left behind, and as she proceeded to clean the room, she found an infant in the bathtub.
Police said they learned the room had been registered to Kirkland.
Reviewing video surveillance, we found that he did check in with an infant on August 20th, and he checked out yesterday morning and left the room without the said child.
The search for Kirkland ended Wednesday evening when he was spotted walking in Bridgeport. He was arrested without issue.
He has no criminal history.
In court, Assistant State's Attorney Alana Paul said Kirkland left the motel in what they believe was a disguise.
The defendant was the last person to see that child alive, was the last person near that child.
Paul also said more charges are likely after the infant's autopsy. The judge called the case about as serious as you can get and ordered bond at $1 million. Kirkland's public defender requested a competency evaluation for his client and that he be put on suicide watch. Support and services are also being offered to those who are on the scene and those affected personally.
We've kind of just been leaning on each other, and we have Canine Winston, who's our therapy dog, who responded out to the scene right away and assisted with comforting our officers, with the staff at the motel that was involved, as well as some of the family and friends of the victim.
Police are not saying anything right now about the child's mother. There was a group of women who were at court for this case, but they declined to identify themselves to reporters. In Milford, Marissa Alter, News 12, Connecticut.